The best upgrade you can make for your first bike race isn't a $3,000 carbon wheel set. It's simply a fresh pair of properly sized tires. Many riders think they need a massive budget to start racing, but fresh, high-quality tires dialed to the correct pressure offer more grip, comfort, and speed than almost any expensive carbon upgrade. Here is the honest list of essentials. You likely own these: a mechanically sound bike, a certified MIPS helmet, padded cycling shorts, and a basic flat repair kit. That is your baseline to safely start. What does the event actually cost? For a typical 2025 race, you're looking at $75 to $175 entry fee, $15 USA cycling one-day license, $100 pre-race tune-up, and about $30 for nutrition. That puts your total weekend around $200 to $400. Compared to a ski weekend, a season of golf, or a major city marathon entry, your first bike race is actually quite accessible. What about the nice-to-haves? These aren't mandatory, but they help. A GPS computer for pacing, a cycling jersey for pocket space and clipless pedals. But honestly, flat pedals are completely fine for your first race. For long events like unbound gravel, pacing is everything. A basic GPS head unit keeps you from burning out in the first hour. It's a much smarter early investment than aerodynamic gear. Here is what you should avoid buying for your first race. Do not buy a new bike. Skip the deep section aero wheels, expensive power meters, and skin suits. Focus on the engine first. Instead of buying parts, invest in your position. If you're racing for more than 3 hours, a professional bike fit will save your knees and lower back. Comfort equals steady speed. A quick note on safety, especially for tight-pack racing like a local criterium. Ensure your helmet is less than 5 years old and hasn't been in a crash. Never compromise on head protection. Your action plan: get your current bike tuned up, mount fresh tires, pack a basic repair kit, and register for a beginner-friendly local event. The goal is just to show up, focus on the finish line, and enjoy the ride.